Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm trying something new. I'm screen recording, as you guys can see, trying some new stuff, but I just want to make this short video. I know you guys can't see me because I haven't really fixed my lighting or my camera angles, but that's okay. But I wanted to see here. Awesome. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to install Node.js because I switched computers, and yeah, pretty much that's the whole point of this video right now. So we're going to go to Node. We're going to Google Node. We're going to go to Node.js and pretty much go to downloads and click the Windows installer, and it'll start downloading right here. Now I already have it installed, so I am okay. But pretty much to check if you guys have Node installed or not, is you go to your command and you go to Node/v, and you guys can see what version of Node you guys have. And now with Node comes npm, and if you're coding or anything like that, you guys know that you guys need npm. So you're gonna need to just go to npm-v, and you can see that what version of npm you have. Now if you want to install the latest version of npm, you type in npm install npm at latest dash g. Now the dash g is for global, excuse me. And that means that it's going to install npm globally. Hit enter. Let me take these headphones off because I don't want to be talking too loud either. Okay, now as you can see, I already installed the new packages. So let's go to npm/v. Now, as you can see, I already had mine updated, but when I first installed it, as you guys can see, I had version 6.14.6, and when I installed the latest version, it went to 6.14.8. And that's how you install Node and npm. Once you install Node, it comes with npm. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you something here real quick. This is the problem that I'm having every time I do npm install. It's saying that it's not, so now we have to add it to our path. So we're going to go to edit system environment variables, and we are going to, let me see if I remember here correctly. I think it's path. Let me just copy this. We're going to go here to path. We're going to click edit. Oh, it's already installed there. So I'm not sure. Let me see here. We already have it there. Path, username. That's that. Okay, so let's Google something here, guys. Let's Google npm path Windows. Now you guys are learning with me, so now I have done this before, guys, but I forgot because I did it on my other laptop. Click path, click edit, click Node.js. So this is pretty much what's going on. Let's try that. Why not? What do we have to lose? Path, edit. Let's add a new one. Control V. Okay. Okay. Now let's open a new PowerShell. See if that. Let me try this because I'm trying to install Helmet on this project. So let's see if it works. Did not work. Let's see here. So far, so good. I might cut some of this out, guys, just to cut this video short. But yeah, let me keep trying stuff. Then browse the bin folder. Let's go to this PC, local C, program files, Node.js, node modules, npm, bin. Let me see here. Properties. Copy address as text. Environmental variables. Here we go. So edit, new, paste. Okay. Okay. Now go back to our project. Let's close the PowerShell. Let's go to view. Terminal. You know what? Let me close the project and try reopening it. Maybe that's what it needs. Yep, that's what I needed, guys. I just needed to restart the program. That was my fault. And also, I don't know if you guys saw that I added it to the path, the global path, and then the user path also. Sweet. Now, as you guys can see, I have this here. Um, we're gonna go to app.js. Ooh, let's see if npm start works here. npm start. Allow access. Oh, come on. Oh, so it was working. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So now let's app is listening on port 3000. So that's working properly. So there you guys go. That's it was just this was just a small tutorial, guys. I mean, you know, this is so I wanted to start like a new thing where you guys see me do this. Hopefully I could get better lighting, but like I just wanted to start making stuff like this so you guys can see how I'm learning, what I'm learning, um, how I do stuff, so that way you guys can learn with me. You guys can learn from my mistakes. I know that some of you are probably gonna comment, oh, that I suck at this, that all this, all that, but this is what I like to do. One thing that I did forget, now that I'm here, we'll do this. Um, helmet. Um, so we gotta require it. Helmet equals require. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is something I want to start doing. That way I have more video supports to post for you guys. Most of these videos that I'm going to do with screen recording will probably have to do with me practicing on freecodecamp.org. That way you guys can see how freecodecamp.org works. And I'm mainly also posting these videos just so I can keep myself on track, so I can keep my progress going and I don't get lazy. Because I tend to just stop doing what I'm doing and just whatever, and I don't want to do that anymore. I just these videos are. I mean, if you guys watch them, cool, awesome. If not, this is more of videos for myself so that I can just see my progress and really push myself to finish these certificate courses that freecodecamp.org has. I'm also going to do one of these videos on freecodecamp.org to show you guys exactly what they have and what courses they have, what certificates they have, and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to get this video up tomorrow or tonight. It's already 10:30 where I'm at here in California, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, please. I really appreciate for those of you who stay subscribed. I do. Hey, I'm sorry that I haven't posted lately, but I'm gonna be posting more often now. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Please comment if you guys would like to enjoy these videos. I've been watching a lot of other um, coders, and this is kind of some of the stuff they do like this. So this is what I wanted to start doing also. But yeah, guys, sorry, I'm just blabbing. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.